You can monetize YouTube without using YouTube monetization by doing this. There are numerous additional ways to make money on YouTube if you haven't yet fulfilled the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. No matter how tiny your channel is, we'll go over the best choices to help you start earning some significant cash on YouTube. For channels of any size, there are alternative revenue streams that can prove to be more lucrative and easier to start up before you join the YouTube Partner Program. These are unique in that they scale with the expansion of your channel and have the potential to yield higher revenue than the Partner Program. Watch this space for a fantastic technique that any YouTuber should use immediately to increase their income streams. First option: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one approach. For tiny channels, this is a game changer because affiliate marketing allows you to promote particular goods or services and earn commissions or referral fees. All you have to do is register as an affiliate, and they will provide you a special URL or link that you can easily add to your YouTube videos. What then makes me adore affiliate marketing? Because it spares you the trouble of having to make a thing from start. Manufacturing, warehousing, and support problems are not necessary. By taking advantage of already existing sales teams and goods, you may increase your revenue and make yourself a valuable asset to those businesses. And while a lot of people consider the excellent Amazon affiliate program, have a look at the screen and video for further details. Beyond the Amazon affiliate program, there is a wide world to explore. Many goods and services allow you to become an affiliate or referrer and get paid for bringing in new customers or signing up for services. As a travel and lifestyle content creator, for instance, I participate in a number of affiliate programs to promote goods and services that I use and endorse, ranging from lifestyle items and content creation tools to travel agencies and experiences. These days, it goes beyond the apparent options like equipment for creating content or travel accessories. Let's use creative thinking. Think about the equipment, procedures, and daily necessities in your life and business that you would suggest to friends and family. Make a list of all the products and services you use and love, and all the companies that you'd love to partner with. And then research if they have an affiliate program. If they do, it most likely will be at the bottom of their website. Remember, quality matters, as you want to make a positive impact on your growing audience, and you don't want to have affiliates with just anybody and products and services that you don't use and they don't know if they're any good, because if they aren't good, it will reflect badly on you. So how do you integrate affiliate marketing into your content? Well, it's as simple as mentioning these products or services in your videos, perhaps doing a walkthrough or review, and don't forget to include affiliate links to ensure a commission when your audience signs up. If you're looking for product and service ideas or want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out my website's Tech Hub Resources page, where I list all the items and affiliate programs I participate in. Option 2. Dropshipping physical products. You can also profit from physical products on your YouTube channel using methods like dropshipping. Imagine having your own online store where you can sell products without the hassle of manufacturing or shipping. Platforms like Shopify handle the logistics, leaving you to curate your store's products. One day, I'll have merch, but I won't handle manufacturing myself. Dropshipping is the way to go. Highlight and review products on your channel, letting your audience purchase seamlessly as dropshipping companies handle fulfillment. Another way to earn with your small channel is through sponsorships or brand deals. This is where I excel. Collaborate with brands willing to pay for featuring their products or services in your content. Even creators with small audiences can dive into sponsor deals, depending on their niche. I secured brand deals early in my journey, leveraging my light-hearted content and niche in travel. As your channel grows, so does your confidence in charging more for brand deals. Inside the Primal Video Accelerated program, members have secured significant brand deals, regardless of subscriber count. The key is identifying the unique value you offer brands and initiating a mutually beneficial relationship. Brand and sponsorship deals are currently my biggest revenue stream, but I realize I should have started with affiliate marketing. Their affiliate marketing is their biggest income stream, thanks to early setup and sharing their strategies. Their approach has significantly boosted revenue across all channels, yielding impressive results. I think this is the best option I see, and the last option we will talk about in this video. It is consulting or coaching. The done-for-you strategy, coaching, or consulting is one way to make money. This is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to make money with your YouTube channel. The idea is that you are either actively solving an issue for someone else or helping others overcome particular obstacles that are related to your areas of expertise or hobbies. For instance, after we produced a video featuring me on how to create TikTok videos, I've received messages from people all over the world requesting one-on-one instruction because social media can be very daunting, and I am qualified to teach people how to use it. I now provide social media advice and training. Consider a moment to list your special talents, interests, and pastimes. How can you use these to help others accomplish particular goals? The secret to variety on YouTube is to center your material around these areas of expertise. This increases demand for your services and improves your visibility, drawing in new customers. Furthermore, your value increases with demand, enabling you to raise your fees and demand more for your knowledge. So take use of this digital environment to share your expertise and develop your talents on YouTube, and then watch as your coaching or consulting services grow. Let's now examine selling. And that's how, in 2024, a modest channel on YouTube might generate revenue. Please let us know how it fared in the comments section below. If you try any of these choices, we would be ecstatic to find out. Additionally, I would advise watching the on-screen video to improve your content creating skills. As always, the description box below has a ton of helpful links and resources, and I appreciate you viewing.